streets alive, leather cracked, we thread, chrome and sparks, neon flames, brothers ride, we own the lane. Mirror, shadow, sparks ignite, we take the road on the night. Steel and smoke, ride or die, metal hearts, thunder in our eyes. Brothers together, side by side, outlaws forever, nowhere to hide. Tires bite, asphalt screams, gasoline dreams, chasing extremes. Every mile a story, every scar a name. We blaze the night, ignite the flame. Mirrors, shadows, sparks ignite, we take the road on the night. Steel and smoke, ride or die, metal hearts, thunder in our eyes. Brothers together, side by side, outlaws forever, nowhere to hide, nowhere to slice in the dark, engines howl, ignite the spark. Through storm and fire, through blood and rain, we ride the night, we own the pain. Steel and smoke, ride or die, metal hearts, thunder in our eyes. Brothers together, side by side, outlaws forever, nowhere to hide. Fast. Steel and smoke on the night. Engines roar, the night ignites, leather wings, we take the height. Tires bite, sparks kiss the ground, brothers ride, never backing down. Smoke in our eyes, wind in our hair, no law can stop us, we don't care. Rebel thunder, ride or die, metal hearts, fire in our eyes. Side by side, we break the law, outlaws forever, hear us roar. Gasoline dreams, whiskey nights, highways blaze under neon lights. Every mile a war, every scar a crown. We own the streets, we rule this town. Smoke in our eyes, wind in our hair, no law can stop us, we don't care. Rebel thunder, ride or die, ride or die. Metal hearts, fire in our eyes. Side by side, we break the law. Outlaws forever, hear us roar. Ride fast, scream proud, rebel thunder. Rule the crowd. Engines roar, midnight call, leather shadow, neon walls, tires bite, sparks on the ground. Brothers ride, never backing down. Wind in our hair, hearts collide. We rule the night, side by side. Rebel wheels, ride or die. Burn the highways, feel the sky. Brothers in arms, fists ignite. Outlaws forever, own the night. Gasoline dreams, whiskey nights, highways alive under city lights. Every mile a fight, every scar a tale. We ride hard, we will not fail. Wind in our hair, hearts collide. We rule the night, side by side. Rebel wheels, ride or die. Burn the highways, feel the sky. Brothers in arms, fists ignite. Outlaws forever, own the leather and chrome, engines wail. Through storm and fire, we prevail. Side by side, till the night is done. We ride forever.